Hello there. Welcome back with a new lesson 4.6 Multiplication and Division of Measurements. Our objective for this lesson is to learn how to use rules for measurement to multiply and divide measurements. To be consistent, when multiplying or dividing measurements, the product or quotient can be no more accurate than the least accurate measurement. So, steps for multiplying or dividing measurements is: first, multiply and or divide the measurements as usual. Second step, round the result to the same number of significant digits as the measurement that has the least number of significant digits. That is, round the result to the same accuracy as the least accurate measurement. So remember, the last lesson was about adding and subtracting measurements. There we were looking for the least precise measurement. In this lesson, after multiplying or dividing, we look for the least accurate measurement and then round our result to this accuracy. Let us take some examples. Example 1. Use rules for multiplication of measurements to find the multiplication of 20.41 of a gram times 3.5 centimeters. You can use your calculator or you can do it by your hand. So this is the first step. Multiply as usual. This is our result. Now look to the two measurements you multiplied. Find the accuracy for each one of them. The first measurement, the accuracy here is 4. The second measurement, accuracy here is 2. Looking to the two accuracies, the least accurate measurement is 3.5, which has accuracy 2. So you go and round your result to accuracy 2. So we count from the left, 1, 2, and then we stop here, looking to the number on the right. It is less than 5, so we will not change the number 1. Our rounded result would be 71 gram centimeter. Let us see another example. Suppose that we want to multiply these three measurements: 125 meters, 345 meters, 204 meters. Using our calculator, we would have this result, and this is step 1. Looking to the three measurements, we have here accuracy 3 with the first measurement. The second measurement also accuracy 3. The third measurement is accuracy 3. So we should round our result to accuracy 3. 1, 2, 3. Looking to the number on the right, it is more than 5, so we would have this result rounded to 3 significant digits. Example 3. Using the rules for division of measurements, we want to divide 288,000 cubed feet by 216 feet. Using the calculator, you would have a result such as this one. Looking to our two measurements, we divided. The first one is of accuracy 3. The second one is of accuracy 3. So they are the same in the accuracy. Because of that, we will round our result to 3 significant digits. 1, 2, 3. Looking to the number on the right, it is less than 5, so it would be the same, changing this to 0 and cancelling the decimals. So this is our final result, rounded using the rules for division of measurements. Example 4. Using the rules for multiplication and division, we want to calculate this multiplication and division. 4,750 newtons times 4.82 hundredths of meter, and divide the result by 1.6 tenths seconds. Using the calculator, you would have an answer such as this. Looking back to our measurements, we have here for the first measurement accuracy 3. The second measurement we have accuracy 3. The third measurement we have accuracy 2. The last measurement has the least accurate measurement. Rounding our answer to accuracy 2, we count 1, 2, and then looking to the number on the right, we can round our result to be 14,000 Newton meter per second. There are even more sophisticated methods for dealing with the calculations of measurements. The method that one uses depends on the number of measurements and the sophistication needed for particular situation. The procedures for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of measurements are based on methods followed and presented by the American Society for Testing and Materials. From the examples we have done, you can notice that to multiply or divide measurements, the units do not need to be the same, not like the past lesson where addition and subtraction of measurements were needing to be of the same units. Let us take a final example. What is the area of a windshield of a car if it measures 55 and 3/10 of an inch by 28 and 25 hundredths of an inch? So we can understand from this question that these two numbers are measurements. So we must follow the rules for multiplying or dividing measurements. Since the windshield is a rectangular shape, so we can think about a rectangle. How to find the area is multiplying its dimensions, multiplying the length times the width. So the solution for this question is to multiply 55 and 3/10 times 28 and 25 hundredths. Our usual answer using the calculator is going to be 1,562 and 225 thousandth squared inch. Going back to the two measurements we multiplied, we find that the first one is of accuracy 3, the second one is of accuracy 4. Now, the first one is the least accurate. We must round our final result to 3 significant digits. 1, 2, and this is the third one. Looking to the number on the right, it is less than 5. So we will not change the 6 and turn 2 to 0 and delete the decimals, squared inches. So our final answer must be 1,560 squared inches. By this, we reach the end of our lesson. Thank you.